Hi students, today we are going to learn about compound interest and compound interest half-yearly and annually. Before that, let us recollect what is simple interest. Simple interest is calculated on principal amount alone during some certain period of time. Okay, now next, how do we calculate simple interest? Simple interest is calculated using the formula P into R into T divided by 100. Okay. Now, how can we calculate the interest for 2 years if the interest is compounded annually? Okay. Let us see. Renu deposited 5,000 in a bank for 2 years at the rate of interest of 8% per annum. Find the amount Reena will get after 2 years if the interest is compounded annually. If the interest is compounded annually, we have to calculate the simple interest for 2 years separately. Okay. Now, first we have to find the simple interest for 1 year only. Okay. Here we get simple interest 400 rupees for first year. Okay. And then the total amount will be 5,400. The total amount of first year will be the principal amount of second year. Okay. So that we find the simple interest for second year with the principal amount 5,400. We get simple interest for second year is 432. Then the total amount will be 5,832. Now we are going to derive the formula for compound interest. A1 is the total amount calculated in first year. Okay. A1 equal to P1 plus I1, where P1 is the principal amount and I1 is the interest calculated in first year. Then substitute I1 with P1 into R divided by 100 because it is calculated for 1 year only. After simplification, we get A1 equal to P1 into 1 plus R divided by 100. This amount A1 will be the principal amount for the second year. And A2 equal to A1 plus I2. I2 is the interest calculated for second year. Then after substituting and simplification, we get A2 equal to P1 into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole square. Similarly, we get A3 equal to P1 into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole cube. And in general, AN equal to P1 into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole power n. AN is the total amount we get after n years. Okay. And compound interest will be AN minus P. Now we are going to see how to calculate the compound interest half yearly. To calculate the compound interest half yearly or semi-annually, we have to make the rate of interest half of the interest given as per annum, and n will be the number of half years in the given time. That means we have to multiply the number of years by 2 and divide the rate of interest by 2. Now we are going to calculate the compound interest on 20,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. First, we are going to find the compound interest if the interest is compounded annually. The principal amount is 20,000, the rate of interest is 10% per annum, and the number of years is 2 years. Before calculating the compound interest, we have to find the total amount. So that A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole power n. After the simplification, we get the total amount as 24,200. Then the compound interest is amount minus principal, which is equal to 4,200. Now let us see what will be the compound interest if the interest is compounded semi-annually or half-yearly. We know that to calculate the interest compounded half-yearly or semi-annually, we have to divide the rate of interest by 2 and multiply the number of years by 2. Okay. Then the number of years will be 4 years and the rate of interest will be 10 divided by 2 equal to 5%. And the amount is P into 1 plus R divided by 100 the whole power n. After the simplification, we get 24 5,310.1 rupees as the amount, and the compound interest will be 4,310.1 rupees. Here we calculate the simple interest on 20,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum, and we get simple interest 4,000 rupees. On seeing these results, we can conclude that compound interest is always more than simple interest, because compound interest is calculated on principal and interest, and while simple interest is calculated on principal amount alone.